The story that I'm going to tell you right now is so weird, Shekuti. You will get confused because even I, when I was reading it, I got confused. Even Munyori Wenyaya also is or was confused. It's a bit crazy. Hanzi Miss P Terera. Inini I don't know kuti ndakatambwa ipi muharare munomu between the wife and the husband and the sister. It's a weird story. Ndikati what happened? Nanzi Miss P Terera. Ndichakufonerai. Ugh, this house hunting is so stressful. I can't do this. There is agent fee, there is a viewing fee, there is transport fee, there is a percentage of the rent. Yo, I'm tired. I'm pretty sure you're as tired as I am, but Rent Easy is here for you. Landlords, you can list your properties for free on their website. Tenants to be with only just $2. You can speak to as many landlords as possible, and that lasts you for 30 days. So I'm pretty sure within 30 days, you would have found your perfect match. Please follow them on their TikTok page and also go to their website, which is renteasy with the z.co.zw. Inini, I met this guy in January. Ndasangana mukomana uyu zvese zvaifaya zvese zvainakidza tatangisa kudanana everything was okay, but unfortunately mukomana akaizoita se he was fired from work, so he was working far away, was fired from work, so he had to move back to his hometown, which is Harare. Mukomana uya aienda asvika ikoko after 2 weeks akandoti zvikanzi ndaita sei ndawana basa but handina mari yetransport. Ndinouya ndakati no, you know what, my baby, I've got you, I've got your back. Ndine ndikatumira bebhi wangu mari yetransport. And then a month later he had to kutakura zvinhu zvake from where he was staying, which is about 300 or so kilometers away from Harare. Yes, akatakura zvinhu zvake, he had to transport all his properties from that place back to Harare. So akabva futi ati pamonth end handisina mari, ndikumbiro mari yetransport to work again. Ndinouya ndakatumira futi mari yetransport. No, this is my man, I got your back. You understand? When you are down and I'm up, I can help you. You understand? Miss P, a week later, it was his birthday. Let me surprise my man. Ndasvika ikoko ndasurprise murume wangu. So this guy, you have to note, he is a Muslim. So at the time pandakasvika, he was fasting. You can say, you know what, baby, I can't take you to my place because if you go to my place, we're going to study. You understand? So I don't want to study because we are in the fasting phase. You understand? So you can say, let's go to my sister's place. Miss P ndakatenga KFC. Svika ikoko sister's place nasisi kune vana 2, and so now it's going to be me and my boyfriend as well. Miss P, we had a feast, we had a nice time. Tiswaya svika nguva yekurara, it was one room. Svika nguva yekurara, Miss P, inini I slept on the bed with one of the kids, and then my boyfriend and his sister vakarara pasi, different blankets, vakarara pasi the other kid. Miss P, ndini uyoyo ndakatodzokera kumba. Ndadzokera kumba after a few days ndikuona mukomana haachabatiki pafoni, especially manheru. And ndakangoti I was heartbroken. Ndakangoti ameno. And so this other time I call and then phone gets answered by who? Guess who? It was answered namai Kudzi. Tongoti the sister acho vanonzi Mai Kudzi. Answered namai Kudzi. Zvikanzi, I'm his wife. Hello, I'm his wife. How may I help you? So pakutaura ipapo pakutaura maikudzi hanzi vakabva vati you know what ka ana kukudza here, I'm not his sister, I'm his wife. Miss P, I don't know how they did it. I'm his wife, so let's stop pretending. The next morning when I asked this guy ndikati naiwe chiexplaina kuti what did you mean, wanga uchirevei pa? Zvikanzi ndangomudza kuti chii you're my girlfriend, and we are panapa, and I can't turn you back because well, you don't have anywhere to go. Miss P, mind you, when I was introduced to this lady, I can't introduce us can say, Sisi, uyu ndi Sisi, uyu I girlfriend yangu. So how that Sisi then turned to wife, Miss P, up until this day, I don't know kuti mukadzi uyayo akazvibvuma sei. This guy is begging for forgiveness. He's saying, "Yeah, I'm really sorry. I can come back to where you are and I'll be visiting you. But now you have to stop calling me Chimani Rutongo chete Mascat." Miss P, I bought dinner. Those kids never called that man daddy. This woman, up until this day, I'm shocked. I don't even know. What type of a woman allows such nonsense to take place in their house? Man.